Most 86-foot yachts are built to impress at the dock. The Azimut Magellano 27 is built to leave it behind. Built by Azimut in Pesaro, Italy. The exterior is by Navia Design, Jarko Jamsen Studio. The hull is a semi-displacement dual-mode design, not a planning hull chasing top speed. A hull engineered for passage making, efficient, stable, and capable across a wide range of sea states. Twin-man 1,400 horsepower engines, 2,800 horsepower combined. Top end, 21 knots, cruise at 16 to 18 knots. Fuel capacity, 2,774 gallons. Built for the sustained day, not the sprint. Full range data at yachtspecsdirect.com. 86 feet overall. Beam, 22 feet 6 inches. The layout centers on the Loggia, Azimut's signature inside-outside living space, a covered aft-deck zone with operable glass walls that dissolves the boundary between interior and open water. Below deck, 5 guest staterooms, 6 heads, and separate crew quarters for 2. 4 things that define the Magellano 27. First, semi-displacement efficiency. The dual-mode hull burns significantly less fuel at cruise than a comparable planning design. Second, the Loggia centerpiece, inside-outside living that works equally well underway or at anchor. Third, AMDL Circle interiors by Michele De Lucchi, warm material palettes, considered proportions, a design language that feels unhurried. Fourth, Explorer Series DNA. This is a range-capable Voyager, not a coastal day boat. 5 guest staterooms, 6 heads, crew quarters for 2 aft. AMDL Circle handled every surface. Michele De Lucchi's approach, nothing excessive, nothing missing. The verdict, the Magellano 27, is the vessel for owners who measure value in distance covered, not speed logged. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.